Welcome to my life. This is what happens when you hang out with me.
We
Skylar,
can't
don't-
keep this part, guys.
Yeah, you can't
exactly.
keep
I know.
I know the profile. I've shot with her.
I think if you would have a collection with a brand, that would be it.
When are you getting married?
Oh wow! I am very smart. This is not coffee with Karan.
They are literally in this game for money. रोज कोई भी एक रील डालो, वायरल हो जाओगे.
And that somehow just went viral. हाँ हाँ गोरेगांव की कैंडल जेनर. इससे मेरा नया नाम रखा है. से भाईचारे के नाते even if I follow the person, I just put them on mute. Oh my God, इनके पास कितना पैसा. ये लोग हर रोज नए कपड़े पहनते हैं.
डुलुलु में चले जाएंगे हम.
Who is that public figure? His or her closet you read on.
Don't
Standing
ask me
thing.
about guy fashion, man.
I'm feeling
So
very sorry
much
for your future
stress.
husband.
She'll just go like, शादी प्लान है लड़का नहीं है. That is it. This is like very controversial. ठीक है ऐसे नशे वशे वाला टॉपिक I'm not going to talk about.
अरे
हमने
ट्रैवल.
नशे के बारे में बोला ही नहीं.
हाँ but my extreme went on that only. No. 80% bloopers, 20% content. मला सांग जर मला बेलापूर टू मालाड 3 तास लागत आहेत. मी 1 तास एक्स्ट्रा ऍड करून थायलंडला जाईन ना. Do we have like rapid fire or something? Pink just goes with everything.
Editing masterclass by Shrija Bagwe.
You will get your payments after 60 days. Okay, bye.
Hello and welcome to the new episode. Today we have Urvi and we have Shrija. You know her as Shrija Bagwe or Style Trails. But I think you should introduce yourself now.
Hi, you guys. I am Shrija. Also, my username on Instagram is Style Trails.
And she wanted to be on this podcast.
Yeah, I had major FOMO after watching the last podcast, so
And
I
now
had to
she
be
has
here.
no idea what's going to happen.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm very tensed. Okay.
How are you? How's life?
Perfect.
How was your day?
Relaxed.
Nice.
What's new? Give us some information. I'm not asking. Okay, this is the start of the podcast and we already have bloopers.
What is new in my life? There is nothing new in my life. I am just stressed about the content that I... Wow, you guys. Wow. Wow.
Okay, how is work?
Slow.
थोड़ा slow है ना?
Very slow.
Since last 2 months, I guess.
Yeah.
January, Feb, March.
Jan, Feb was still okay. This
April.
May, like till now, it has been very slow.
Yeah. बट उसके पहले तो बहुत था मतलब.
हाँ.
उसके पहले तो सब चालू ही था.
मैडम कंटेंट भी बना रहे हैं, मैडम इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप भी कर रहे हैं, सब कर रहे हैं मैडम. हम लोग सिर्फ स्टोरीज देख रहे हैं.
I was busy attending weddings
Oh,
and going on trips.
Okay, the very first thing that I want to ask you that how did you or when did you decide that you want to become content creator? What was the idea? What was the motivation behind it?
So it might sound very random, but so after I did my internship, I was sitting at home doing nothing, and my mom used to always sit on my head ki like, do something creative. If you are creative, then you can do something good with it. And I was just binge watching YouTube videos, and I was like, you know what, yahi kar leti hu. That is it. I didn't have any perspective of how things are going to be or what should I do. I just decided randomly ki, oh wow, like maybe I can. Since I have a phone, I will manage a makeshift tripod and I'll just shoot a video in my parents' room because my room was not that aesthetic that time.
Which year was this?
2016.
Oh, long back.
Yeah. So I decided and I made the video. And the first video itself got like 1,000 views, which was insane. I was
Insane,
like,
yeah,
oh
that
wow,
time.
people are watching my videos. That is
Yeah.
surprising. And then after that, then I just kept on continuing it till, and then like till 2020, I was working and simultaneously making YouTube videos. And then COVID happened. So here we are.
But like you were sure about creating content in fashion only, or it was a conscious decision, or it just happened like that?
No, so fashion was always my base for everything. Like I graduated in fashion, I did everything in fashion. So fashion was always going to be there no matter what. I added a bit of beauty and lifestyle here and there, but it has always been fashion.
So what was your first brand collab that you did? First brand collab, and first brand collab you are proud about.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So the first brand collab, so it was with the Instagram page. I don't
Yeah.
think it exists now,
Oh.
but it was with an Instagram page, and so they were into like making gift hampers and everything. So that was my first ever collab. And then the first collab that I'm extremely proud about was with Daniel Wellington.
Yeah.
And it came out of nowhere. And I've just seen like these OG creators,
Yeah.
promote Daniel
Yeah.
Wellington. I'm like, yeah, I want this brand. I want to work with this brand. And then randomly I was like, oh my God, I got this mail.
Which year it was?
This was in 2020.
Okay. Okay, makes sense. So the reason I asked you which brand collab you are most proud about, when was the first time you felt that you have financial freedom? After choosing this particular field, content creation, it was very new at that time.
Yeah.
It was not that monetized when in 2020 or 2019 at that time. So what was that moment when you felt, okay, this is something that I can do, this is something I can pursue, and it gives me a sense of financial freedom?
So for me, like I said, I was doing it from 2016. So 2020 was my experimental year.
Okay.
Since COVID was happening and everything, and I got a job just before COVID in the company that I wanted to work for the longest time. And then I was like, you know what, till this year end, I will give myself time. If I succeed with it, well and good. If not, nothing goes bad. I already have a job in my hand anyways. So that, and then then Reels was introduced.
Yeah.
There was a spike in everything. So at that time, I was like, maybe I can give it like more 6 months. Till now, there's no like financial stability or anything. I'm still working on, like, chalo, I'm at least growing
Yeah.
on a certain number. And I guess by mid 2021, I was sure ki yes, I can survive with this, I can continue with this, and I will be okay.
You said something about she went viral sometime in between.
Yeah, I think in 2020 you had the draping series.
Yeah,
of sari.
2021.
Tell us about that whole period.
Yeah, because I remember like I used to follow her before that. I think she did the draping series, which was very, very unique, which was not many people knew how to do it. So that was one of the reasons I feel like it went viral and you crossed a certain amount, I think.
Yeah. So every year for Navratri, I try to follow the colors that we have, and it doesn't have to be like Navratri based content. It can be anything.
Traditional
So
Navratri,
yeah.
yeah.
So in that series, I just focused on different kinds of drapes. So it was 9 days of 9 drapes, and that somehow just went viral. And I was hoping that it goes viral because I took a lot of mehnat. Like I was shooting for, let's just say, 15-16 hours,
Oh,
because I shot the entire thing in one day.
Oh
Okay.
my God.
So I started like 7 o'clock in the morning, and I was just shooting, and I was like, yaar, bas Bhagwan ji, please, isko. I didn't expect the entire series to go viral. I was just like,
One or
ek
two
आधा
videos.
video, मतलब just like,
That is the content creator mindset.
yeah, exactly.
एक भी हो जाएगा तो
एक भी
चलेगा यार.
so the reason I asked you this is we see a lot of fashion content on Instagram, but there is very unique and very uniform thing that I can see on your page, that you make haul videos very interesting, and that with the transitions. Everyone fail and struggle to put at least one transition in a video, but somehow you manage to do 4 or 5 transitions in one single haul video. How do you do that? I think I asked you this question in person as well before.
So for me, see, everyone nowadays, if you open Instagram, there's always like Meesho haul, Myntra haul, this
Yeah.
and that. ठीक है? So for me, when I started like making fashion content for Instagram, even before also on YouTube, I had a few transitions. I didn't know that transitions were a thing back then. but I had a few transitions in my YouTube videos as well. And for Instagram, I just felt I just love doing it. Like you give me a transition video and I will just sit and edit at that moment only.
Yeah.
कि बस हाँ चलो, because I know
वो excitement.
because I know how the video is going to turn out.
Right.
So that excitement and that, so the song has to be selected, what transition goes,
Where,
that takes a
when,
lot of
lyrics.
Yeah.
that takes a lot of mehnat, but it is totally worth it.
So it
It's
was
something which you enjoy
Yeah.
by yourself.
it was a conscious decision that you
Yeah,
will
it
make
it
haul
was-
videos kind of a
Yes.
thing.
Not haul videos. I
But jo
feel
bhi
like
videos
yeah,
hoga.
every outfit, basic outfit videos also I try to have some,
Like you spice it up with the transitions.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
that is
there's
her
some
thing.
audience,
हाँ.
at least the audience is hooked onto the transition, if not the main video itself. So at least transition देख के
That's
रुक
there,
जाओ.
yeah, the attention span is going down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how can one, like right now, like on Urvi Designs, I get so many comments like, you know, ये transition करते कैसे? Like people find, like beginners especially find it difficult. So how, like what tips can you give them if they want to start with at least one transition, two transition, and then, you know, how they can become an expert at least in, you know, some of the transitions? How can they do it? Any practical tips?
There's you just have to work on your editing skills. ठीक है? The transition that you do in real life on camera versus how you edit it is
Is different.
completely different.
Yeah.
ठीक है? You can do one action.
Hmm.
It depends on what time you cut it while editing.
Hmm.
You can change the frame, you can change the location, you can do everything. It just depends on what time you cut and make the transition very smooth.
And also the movement, like if it is a
Yeah.
right hand, then right hand ही ये
हाँ,
करो.
exactly.
वो कभी-कभी wrong होता है
हाँ.
कि, you know, left hand
You
कर दिया,
have
right
to
hand
be
कर-
sure
Yeah.
कि कौन से side से turn किया है,
Yeah.
which hand is there, what hair
How
flip
much
is
do you
happening.
turn, all of that.
Everything you need to keep in mind. But I feel the most important thing is at what point you cut the video.
Cut the video.
Editing masterclass by Shrija Bagwe. That's going to be
Coming
the title
soon.
of the video.
Coming soon.
Now there are so many fashion creators in the market. Do you think that it's still possible to someone to start from zero now and make it like their, you know, their thing, like they can become influencer now?
Yes, I have seen, so like even recently, like I followed 2-3 girls. They just went with their aesthetic and that is it.
Yeah.
You can grow just, I'm not even saying have a niche for that matter. Just stick to
True.
what you like and stick to what you're doing. If, see, your audience is going to get to you if you have matching aesthetics or matching
True.
vibes. ठीक है? So you can grow with it. You just have to find what you like, what
Yeah.
your style is, stick to it and do it.
What I feel like there is so much of a rise for fashion and beauty in general for this space, and what most people do mistake with is that they see everyone around them and then try to implement that. But what they
Yeah.
need to do in reality is that go with who you are. Like I know there's a YouTuber in US, her name was Kelsey Simone. So like around her, everyone, you know, in America used to create like these girly hauls or whatever that was. And at that time, she is a girl like me. Like she just wears black, white, beige. That's it. And she created a videos about that, just wearing black, white, beige. And she had like 1 million or something, you know, like legitimate subscribers on YouTube that time. So use your own personality, how you are, and you just create content around that in fashion, and that will help you to stand out more. Because
Yeah.
if you try to copy everyone, like of course you will be like
Because you have
Yeah.
such a wide variety of things. ठीक है? So now, for me, you guys know, pink means everything. I don't need to know how much pink is too much pink in this scenario. ठीक है?
yeah.
So, matlab, like, when you see me, you know you're going to get some girly content or something of that sort. So, finalize what your style is. You
Yeah,
can't go
true.
like, I want to be Wednesday Addams one day and Eden the
yeah,
next day.
next
So
day.
that
हाँ,
is
वो
not
तो नहीं होने
happening.
वाला. But have like a common ground and, you know, like experiment. Don't
Yeah, don't stick
be
to just
shy
one
to-
thing. You
हाँ,
can experiment, but have something of you. So even if I'm going all black or all monochrome, I know there will be a
element of
me which is just going to reflect my style.
something cute
Yeah.
or yeah.
But you know what I sense in the market right now? Now the new generation of influencers, they're coming they are literally in this game for money. There is nothing, no, broadly speaking, there is no passion for creating content. There are some reels which are getting viral that initially you don't need to, have a niche, or initially you just need to copy, you just need to
Yeah,
grow.
I've seen that. Yeah.
But it just does not make sense. If I'm a photographer, I'm starting, and if I'm copying 10 different styles of content, एक दिन मैं वेडिंग के रिलेटेड रील डाल रहा हूँ, एक दिन मैं लाइफ अपना वाइल्ड लाइफ के रिलेटेड रील डाल रहा हूँ, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू मेक मी अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर.
Yeah.
It's just I'm copying everyone's content.
See, it is going to give you virality, it is going
Yeah.
to give you reach, but you cannot make a brand out of that. Today,
Yeah.
if people know someone, why do they know someone? Like, whatever the figure is, because they have created a brand from that.
Yeah.
So, I would say,
Yeah, that's the thing that I'm noticing, that people are not focusing on making
Creating a brand,
themselves
yeah.
as a brand, but they are just focusing on getting viral.
Yeah.
That, like, when I go on shoot, so many people just tell me कि रोज कोई भी एक रील डालो, बस रील डालो, कुछ भी डालो, वायरल हो जाओगे.
viral to ho jaoge, I mean, yeah,
But it doesn't reflect who I am. If I'm just putting a picture in a reel, by putting a music, just to get it more reach.
Yeah, I have seen reels like, Myntra finds, and they're just putting screenshots of the.
Exactly.
And that is not the whole point.
Exactly.
People
Yeah.
can just go on Myntra and just search
yeah,
for
I
that
can
matter.
create 10 of those. Like,
Yeah.
what?
And they're not even showing their face. There's no like face to the entire
That
account or
faceless
anything.
thing is new
Yeah,
in
I've
the
seen
market.
it so
Yeah.
Faceless
much.
account.
How I create
And
faceless accounts and make
every day
money.
their caption
That is
only.
also okay. See, I've seen
The read caption reels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've seen some faceless accounts, but I don't know her username. ठीक है?
Are you
But she
talking about, does she talk about fashion and like
Yeah,
give
yeah,
an
yeah.
entire detailed summary of what happened?
No. So she'll make faceless reels only. She won't show her face.
Okay,
But
हाँ.
her aesthetic is so beautiful that you
like
will
cover
get
her
hooked.
face but show the
Yeah.
outfit.
You
I
will
know
get
what you're
hooked and you
talking.
want
Yeah.
to see the reel ki what is the outfit या क्या है. You will get hooked. See, something of that sort is really
Yeah.
great. You
Like
can't
if
be
you
putting
don't want to show your
screenshots
face.
and
There's this one more
Making videos.
girl, her name is Rishija or something, if you'll find it in my following page. So she basically creates fashion videos only, but instead of showing how, dressing up, what she created, her recent video was about the Met Gala and like discussing about the looks, like actually going in and showing, how this was created, what happens behind the scenes, like practically, सब कुछ ऐसे detail में दिया था. So which is very, very different than the normal fashion videos. So
Yeah.
that is another lookout which you can do, like just giving a scientific approach. I know many beauty creators are going ahead and breaking down the ingredients of the sunscreen and everything. So, so yeah, I mean, so there are very different, what you can say, views towards creating content, and not just like haul video, styling video. Way more varieties are there.
The faceless account that I was talking about, the every day a reel they are posting, the caption is same. Day 5 of posting a faceless account till I reach 100k followers. What
मेरे
are you
I
100K
trying
want
to
to know
prove?
why are these 100k people following
Exactly.
them?
मेरे को करा दो 100k यार.
Yeah.
God, yeah.
I should also start faceless account till I reach कितना है मेरा 250k. Let's just
250K.
like keep a larger number in
Alright.
mind.
Is there anything you want to ask in this segment?
यार याद करना पड़ेगा. बोल तो दिया. बोल तो दिया.
Alright.
Almost.
Okay, Shrija. When are you getting married?
Oh wow!
Hiding my face.
Didn't see that coming. Didn't see that coming.
जनता जानना चाहती है.
भगवान के दया से जब कभी मिलेगा, जब कभी होगा, तब बता देंगे आपको भी.
Urvi has nothing to say.
She's like, मैं कुछ नहीं बताने वाली.
बस हो गया.
Okay, we are not going to keep this part.
Obviously.
So, next question that I want to ask you is more related to your fashion background. You completed your study in fashion. First, tell me something about that. Then I'll ask you follow-up question. What was your like study, and how did it help you in the content creation field?
See, so every like semester there was like multiple topics that we covered. ठीक है. And in second year, I very well remember we got the styling project, and there was designing, there was costume designing, there was everything. But for the styling project, I was the topper of the class, and I loved doing it. Matlab, the amount of research I've put into the entire thing, different types of body types, everything I've covered, and it just made me so happy. I'm like, oh wow, there's this huge thing that I can study and I can learn about. And that I just feel has reflected on what I do now. So be it with color combinations, be it with managing how the outfit is supposed to put together, breaking the outfit in some or the other way, accessorizing it. So that, I think that second year ka semester was...
So college assignment seriously करना चाहिए.
Oh.
Bunk नहीं करना
Yes,
चाहिए.
definitely. You're talking to the student of the year of the college.
Oh, I did not know that.
I was that annoying kid who used to submit the assignment like 15 days prior.
You are a
So
Amy Santiago.
No, so I could go and chill later.
Oh,
Priorities were different.
right.
Yeah.
So, if given a choice, who is that public figure that, his or her closet you'd raid on?
Ooh.
It can be anyone from media industry basically. It can be content creator, Bollywood celebrity, Hollywood celebrity, any cricketer, anything is fine. Just public
Any
figure.
cricketer.
Yeah.
Cricketer.
You know why I'm
that
asking
was
this.
on purpose.
You know why I'm asking this.
So if it comes down to celebs, then I would say Ananya Pandey for that Gen Z vibe. And as much as I love Deepika, but my answer would be Alia Bhatt.
Oh.
Why?
I just feel like her, like Alia Bhatt's styling just somewhat relates to me. Deepika is goddess energy. ठीक है? And she's there, but I don't relate to her style as much. Like there are a few outfits that I obviously relate to, not like everything 100%. But I feel Alia is more on the relatable side for me.
So, एक कोई भी ऐसा सेलिब्रिटी या फिर पब्लिक फिगर जिसका स्टाइलिंग यू लाइक सो मच एंड एक जिसका बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है एंड यू हैव टू टेक नेम्स.
नहीं ऐसा बिल्कुल बिल्कुल as if they know me personally. This is not coffee with Karan.
सो सी असली मजा तब आएगा जब तू किसी कंटेंट क्रिएटर का नाम लेगी.
Ooh, now this is coffee with Karan.
Coffee with Akash.
Exactly. See, I will tell you what, ठीक है. I don't follow people that I don't like.
Yeah, that's there.
So either मतलब ऐसे जबरदस्ती follow भी कर लिया ना, तो for my peace of mind, I just put them on mute. I'm not going to see them only.
Yeah.
So मतलब हाँ चलो ठीक है, से भाईचारे के नाते even if I follow the person, I just put them on mute.
एन्ना वाइट नको चले फॉलो करते.
This is what creators do.
Oh dear.
In general also, if you see my following, there's like limited number of people. There's not like say 2,000-3,000 लोग नहीं.
Yeah,
So I follow
same.
the people that I genuinely look up to.
Yeah.
जिनका style मेरे को पसंद है and all of that. So and even if I don't like somebody's style, then I 101% know कि मेरे को उनका नाम नहीं पता.
Okay.
I will be अरे ये क्या पहना है?
हाँ,
And then, like,
exactly. It will go on the group. I'm like ये क्या पहना है?
But
And
you
बस,
still have to
finish.
give us the name of the person जिसका स्टाइलिंग बहुत पसंद है और his or her fashion sense in general.
एक मिनट. I recently started following her. So if you want a name, I will give it to you. Because her style is very much like me.
Oh.
मगर भी कैसे
She's this Annie Rose Nelson. ठीक है?
Sure.
And so she posts like all of these aesthetic videos.
हाँ.
जैसे मेरे को पसंद है. Like
Pinterest aesthetics.
Pinterest videos.
Oh, yeah.
And there's one more. अजून एक
Pinterest
नाम-
girly.
हाँ, Pinterest girly. And there's एक मिनट हाँ. You guys continue. मेरे को
मैं
नाम
बोलने
ढूंढने
कैसे
में टाइम जाएगा. I told you I'm very bad with names, so it's
Yeah,
fine.
पता है मेरे साथ क्या हुआ?
क्या?
मैंने वीडियो बनाया ब्रांड के लिए आने के पहले बन गया 15 मिनट्स में, एडिटर को भेज दिया, प्ले करके देख रही हूँ माइक ही बंद था। अभी मेरे को रीशूट पहले वो बोला कि लाइक 2 सेंटेंस ही है पॉइंट टू कैमरा, बाकी सब वॉइस ओवर है। ये लाइक कुछ नहीं समझ रहा है मेरे को, यू हैव टू रीशूट।
Okay, found her. So her username is Solar Powered Blondie, and
Okay.
her name is Kylie Ree. ठीक है?
Kylie
Her
Ree.
account is again like very much
Oh
me.
yeah,
You see her account and
हाँ, I
you'll-
think I saw her on Pinterest.
हाँ, I only sent you like multiple.
हाँ, इसके
pictures.
photos भेजते
अरे
रहती है
ऐसे
शायद।
photos लेने हैं, अरे
ऐसे
वैसे
कपड़े
photos-
चाहिए।
हाँ. So her, so
You want
yeah,
to see?
these 2 accounts I would 100% say कि
Oh right.
Very her.
Yeah, very
Colorful,
her.
very colorful.
I can only see
Soft girl.
pink and yellow.
exactly.
That's why it's related to Shrija. Okay. So even if you don't want to give us
Name.
names about the जिसका styling पसंद नहीं है, the main reason behind asking this is if you were to change
Your
someone's style, someone's way of style.
Oh, I know one name.
Okay. Cut this part. This is more important.
Blur it. Like beep it.
Okay, sorry.
बोल. बोल.
अच्छा बोलूं?
हाँ.
No, sorry. हाँ.
हाँ, उसका.
Her. I just feel like her style, मतलब in some videos, ठीक है, I just feel like her style is very 2010.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. Like very Indian girl.
Not Indian girl, ठीक
Like,
है.
I don't
her
know how to
style
say it.
feels just very like 2010, 2009.
Yeah,
when it
nostalgic.
comes to like, I saw this one Navratri video she posted. She was wearing me college मध्ये घालायचे ते. And I was like, no. Because when I see my college pictures, I'm like, what the hell am I wearing?
Can I see the profile?
You, how can you don't know?
You know
I have
her.
a name also. I also have a name.
Okay.
Style I
We
don't-
can't keep this part, guys.
Yeah, you can't
Exactly,
keep
I know.
I know the profile. I've shot with her. That's why we can't keep this name.
Amazing.
See, her videos, क्या बोलता है, the information part that she gives ना,
हाँ.
that is really nice. But there are
Don't cover
some-
up, Shrija.
No, I'm not covering up. But there are. मतलब I started following her for that information
Yeah,
talking
that is
वाला
very
bit
nice.
only.
Yeah.
ठीक है. But that there are like some outfits
You
which
feel
are
like, yeah.
very 2010. 2010, and then it just gives me like see school college flashbacks. I'm like, मैं क्या पहन रही थी?
वो तेरा PTSD है.
हाँ, मेरा PTSD है वो.
We'll definitely have to beep the name. Definitely. Okay, now I'll ask the next question. If you were to change someone's style, someone's wardrobe, someone's, you think that this is too much now. मतलब ये बहुत देख लिया इस पर्सन के ऊपर. Any Bollywood or Hollywood
मेरे
celebrity.
भी बोल देगी वो.
This girl sitting beside me.
पूर्वी मला माहिती नव्हतं, मी तिला विचारलं होतं आधी.
This
Okay,
girl-
what would you change in her wardrobe?
I would
Black
Or in
कपड़ा
her-
निकाल देगी.
No,
वो.
I see. I'm not black कपड़ा निकाल दूंगी. It is just she doesn't wear a lot of colors. ठीक है. So even if I give her a lot of colors, my styling this thing would be, since she has a very strong क्या कहते हैं outfit styling for herself, since she goes with all like dark colors and everything. So even if I give her light colors, I would want the outfit to be very structured for her. So it still matches her vibe, and it is
But the
still
colour
हाँ,
is
it is still like there's some color, and there's still some
Something
her
about
element.
me. Yeah.
हाँ.
Yesterday I asked her कि what are you planning to wear? So I give her my options. She's like, तिला नको विचारो, ती बाई ब्लॅकच बोलेल.
Exactly.
एक बार मैं गोवा में थी. हाँ, मतलब one of the times.
हाँ, तो बहुत बार थी
One
गोवा
of
में
the
अभी.
times.
One of the times
बहुत
मैंने इसको
बार थी.
वीडियो
हाँ.
कॉल किया था. And I wore a white and pink top. उसकी आंखें ये हो गई, बड़ी हो गई कि तूने कलर पहना है.
This girl has one lilac and white top. ठीक है, stripes वाला top है. That is it. That is all the color this girl has in her wardrobe. There's no pastel shades. There's no pinks, no yellows.
I had to go to an event. कब था ये? परसों था.
परसों.
And the theme was pastel.
And she's
And I'm
messaging
just
me like तेरे घर
searching.
पे आना पड़ेगा because I don't have outfits.
Literally, I don't have anything pastel. I was searching. And I was like, सब कुछ तो black और white है. अभी मुझे कलर लेना होगा ये brands के लिए. So yeah.
ओके इसका बदनामी होगा अभी मेरा बदनामी करते हैं ओके इफ यू आर टू चेंज द वे आई स्टाइल माई सेल्फ और एनीथिंग इन माई
Don't ask me about guy fashion, man.
I'm feeling
So
very sorry
much
for your future
stress.
husband.
So much stress. एक तो you guys want comfort. ठीक है, I'm not saying leave your comfort. You don't want to experiment with colors. they एक ही black, blue, white में चिपके रहना है तुम लोगों को.
वहाँ पे पीछे 3 लोग हंस रहे हैं समझा एवरीवन इज रिलेटिंग
No, I mean, see, I will tell you why, ठीक है. So for my brother, he was going for his MBA. I was packing his bag. I'm not kidding, we made this joke. I'm like, you have 50 shades of blue. His entire bag was just blue.
It took me some time to
Real, get to that point, no? But,
Okay.
I mean, it is just, there's no other color, ठीक है? White, black, blue. तुम लोग को वेरिएशन चाहिए, you will go into grey and shades of blue.
या फिर beige.
Yeah.
Brown.
Beige is also like very questionable for some guys, okay? They won't be easy like, अरे हाँ, maybe I can wear this. अरे ये पहन ले ये अच्छा लगेगा. Then, अरे हाँ, सच्ची में अच्छा लग रहा है. That will be.
प्रश्न लगा विचारला हे उत्तर काहीतरी
So my answer was styling guys is very difficult.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything you want to ask in this?
In fashion, what product or what is that now? For some people, like they are obsessed with shoes, or some are with bags. What are you obsessed with?
Oh wow.
And I have follow-up questions.
I feel like dainty jewelry.
Okay.
Just very delicate, chotu jewelry pieces.
I think if you would have a collection with a brand, that would be it, na?
Yeah.
Dainty jewelry.
Like just jewelry pieces which you can wear every day. Or if you don't want to, go heavy. Because that is my style personally, ठीक है? So if I don't want to go heavy with anything, if the outfit is basic, I will just add minimal jewelry and that is it. So minimal jewelry pieces.
What is in your wish list? Like number one, अगर कुछ ऐसे milestone hit किया तो I want to buy this. Something like a bag, watch.
So I just got myself for my birthday. I got a bag and I got a watch. So
हिला माइलस्टोन ची गरज नाही
हाँ. Birthday होता ना?
Guys, birthday होता ठीक है. Birthdays are always special.
Milestone है
You don't need a milestone. So,
कौन सा?
but if at all I have to buy, I don't have ऐसे कुछ like specific in mind.
To-do
पता है.
list. Okay, tell me one, either a shoe or a bag from any brand which you don't like the design or the pattern. I have so many names in my head.
If I don't like it, I'm ignoring it.
हाँ, no, but like
It is
you
exiting
know
my
that
brain.
I don't want this.
It is exiting my brain that moment
हाँ,
only.
but
I don't
still.
remember shit.
See.
You guys might think this is diplomatic answers, but
You
I
are
don't.
being diplomatic.
I
Yeah.
don't remember shit. See, मेरे को
Very
नाम
bad.
याद आया मैंने बताया ना.
हाँ तो काय फायदा
हाँ तो वो
काय
pattern
फायदा
or structure.
That seems like a you problem.
हाँ, tell me if any brand you haven't worked with, which would you like to work with?
Oh wow, there's like an entire list of brands
अभी याद
that
आया
I
उसको.
have. Yeah, I mean, I don't remember the list, but I have an entire list.
थोड़ा बहुत.
For recently, we went to the Mac thing. I was very excited for it because Mac has been there on my list,
List
for the
for
longest
long
time.
time.
So that, and then there are multiple brands.
Any
Fashion,
one
fashion,
specific
beauty needed.
Fashion में
in general?
PDP, Papa Don't Preach is there.
Please हमें थोड़ा elaborate क्योंकि हमें
हाँ, sorry. Papa Don't Preach has been there on my list
yeah.
for I don't know how long. Matlab, initially I wanted to work for them, join their team for designing
Okay.
and
Yeah.
styling. But then now, since I'm into content creation, I would definitely I'm like manifesting someday that I work with them.
Yeah, I have a very interesting question. Now, many of you guys might know that fashion bloggers and beauty के लिए especially when they get married, about to get married, या कोई भी ऐसा बड़ा milestone होता है, brands usually like to source outfits to the creator, right? So whenever you get married in the next 5 years or whatever that is, when would you like, which brand would you like to source,
Which
or like where, or do you feel like you want to pitch them for either of the functions?
इसके वेडिंग का प्री फिल्म बन रहा है यहाँ पे.
नहीं, but in like
Delulu.
we can, yeah,
Guys,
थोड़ा
just
Delulu
stay
रह लो,
Delulu. Okay.
manifesting.
We can just imagine my wedding. It's
Yeah.
okay. So, I've worked with Kalki, so Kalki is
Yeah.
definitely there because the variety is huge. You will find multiple options. ठीक है? Then again, PDP is there. Then there are like these small brands which have very beautiful designs. So again, it depends on like what theme I want to go with
Oh, yeah.
and what color
That's
palette I want to
separate
follow.
podcast.
Oh wow.
वो ना वो तुम नहीं, वो फिर लड़कियों को
हाँ.
लाना
I
पड़ेगा
need
उसके
Lolo
लिए.
for this
यहाँ
podcast.
पे
मेरा
Delulu.
तो फायदा नहीं है उसके लिए.
Equally Delulu. Okay.
Yeah.
शादी planned है, लड़का नहीं है. That is it.
ओके,
डुलुलु में चले जाएंगे.
ये इंट्रो में जाएगा लाइन.
So yeah, those brands. One more question. Now I know that on Reddit many people hate this, like, you know, why influencers are getting whatever, like clothes for their weddings or anything. What is your take on this? Like, or view on this? Like, just what do you think?
I just feel like, see, earlier celebrities were doing it. You had no idea that this thing even existed. ठीक है, you were like, oh my god, इनके पास कितना पैसा, ये लोग हर रोज नए कपड़े पहनते हैं. This was the notion earlier. ठीक है, now that regular people are doing it, the only problem is,
It's more aware.
yeah, that is it. And why would you want, my only problem, see, even if whatever happens, why would you want to spend that much? I'm not saying कि हाँ चलो we have the privilege of sourcing.
Yeah.
You can also rent out pieces. It is not like you have to
Purchase
spend
it.
a certain amount for
Yeah.
that matter. So it is just unnecessary hate, and not even hate, but
I would
then
say
I also
jealousy.
not jealousy, but I feel like there are creators who take a lot of advantage of this
Situation.
situation.
Yeah, I know.
So that can be wrong
For
at
the
times.
brand as well.
Yeah. So if we keep that in mind, so I get what the Reddit people are saying, but then it is also like, it is a very gray area.
It's like if you have a property where you can celebrate, you know, weddings or whatever that is.
Yeah.
Then why not use your own property? तुम्हें क्यों पैसा देना और दूसरी
हाँ,
जगह
exactly.
ये करना है, like that.
What do you think about
Bouncer
creating?
गेला मला है, but okay.
ठीक है, मी मग सांगते.
मला समजलं.
हाँ तुला कळलं. हाँ. बफर कर रही है.
What do you think about creating content around wedding? You know what I'm talking about.
I understood what you're talking about. We
वो
just
हमने अभी
discussed
बहुत
it.
किया है दूसरों के weddings के लिए, but
No.
नहीं, not
खुद
that,
के
not
wedding
that.
के
खुद के wedding
We
में.
discussed
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
We discussed it
खुद के
last
wedding
time
में.
in the last shoot we had. So I get you're spending a lot of money on your wedding, and there's like a lot of things happening, and you want to have that special day to be
Memorable.
celebrated and be memorable, and you want it on your feed as well. But how much? You also have to think from the audience point of view. See, the audience will be excited for, you know, कि अरे this creator is getting married, so let's just like see what is happening, what not. That is just general curiosity.
yeah.
You can't throw like ऐसे 2 महीने का content. You guys, I'm getting married, so this is like 2 months of content for you guys, just wedding related. Even
I
as
will get overwhelmed. Yeah.
even as a consumer, I wouldn't like want to watch that much wedding content. And एक तो शादी का season शुरू हो गया ना. There's just
Everyone
like
posts them.
yeah, there's just like a lot of wedding content that is happening. उसके ऊपर if there are like, for example, I'll just say like 5 accounts are posting 2 महीने का wedding content. उस पे शादी season है. That is just
Insane.
a lot
Too much
to
to handle.
digest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
हाँ. I realized that.
ती झोपेल इथे आता थोड्या वेळात. It's just too much of the content.
Yeah.
Like before shadi, okay. During shadi, okay.
After shadi.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
It just becomes it becomes too much. कि कितना देखेंगे content किसी का भी शादी का?
But you know, people really like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I've
nahi,
seen, like
people really
sometimes
like
people
it.
obsess
It
over
also depends on what kind of audience you have.
Yeah.
ठीक है. I know for sure if I start posting ऐसे 2-2 महीने का wedding content, my audience is going to get bored कि भाई क्या पका रही है ये ऐसे.
Yeah. That's also that.
But also there is a lot of demand for couple content in
Yeah.
the like social media industry.
Social media space,
Brands
yeah.
are looking for couple content creators.
Right now, yes, there's this couple. वो लोग ने ये 6 months पहले they started a page. ठीक है, they are younger than me. They look like 29-30, and they have grown right now to 250K. And क्या हुआ? क्या हो रहा है? Why am I going blank?
Continue.
What happened?
Cut it, Akash.
Deep.
Cut it.
क्यों?
तो बोल.
मेरे को बाद में बोल रहे.
Continue.
Okay, whatever. So they post like
Relax.
Buffer होता.
I was like, मैंने ऐसे क्या बोल दिया? मैं क्या बोल दी? So yeah, basically they post all the tips videos, dating hacks,
Oh, I've seen
dating
their
ideas.
videos. I've
So
seen
it
their
went so
videos.
viral that
No, but in travel specifically, there's a lot of demand for couple content creators.
but अभी थोड़ा वो saturate हो रहा है. You don't
Saturate,
think?
yeah.
Because there are so many
True.
who have started. But वो advice वाला थोड़ा अभी
मेरे को
start
ना-
हो गया.
I will tell you, this is like way out of context, but
As always.
I just feel like I get मतलब ऐसे ना couple वाला content या whatever, I just feel like I come to the trend very late. ठीक है, अभी कपल कंटेंट क्रिएट करते
वैसे ही हो रहा है,
मेरे
वैसे ही।
साथ वैसे ही होगा. अरे इसका भी बॉयफ्रेंड आ गया, अभी क्या है ऐसे.
So again, I'm coming back to content creators. What do you think? How long this phase will last? Like this rise of content creators, this industry, how long do you think it will sustain?
See, for Instagram, I am not really sure about the number of years.
Why do you say that?
Because for every creator there's like a high and a low for Instagram also. ठीक है. So if you see COVID के time पे whatever, like whoever creators were on the top, you don't see them as often as you
Or
would see
pre-COVID.
them. Yeah. Previously. Now you see like a entirely
Different
new
generation.
bunch. ठीक है. So for Instagram, हाँ, you will have your organic sustained content audience जो पहले से है, because they know they like your videos and stuff. But when it comes to the highs and the lows, I don't know like for how long Instagram would be for every creator. I'm not saying कि in general ऐसे होगा. For every creator, everyone will have their highs and lows in the journey. For YouTube, you have a lot of scope.
Okay.
Yeah.
You start with vlogs. People are very much interested in what is happening in your life.
Yeah.
You
Panchayat.
पंचायत, exactly.
Become aware.
बहुत हाँ बहुत पंचायत है. So you start making, and I just feel like, see, even I like watching vlogs, ठीक है, but then it also depends on like
Do you
what
want to
vlogs.
share your life?
Yeah. For me, everyone just tells me, you know, you already have a YouTube channel, might as well start vlogging.
Yeah, I've seen that on your page. There is like literally no vlog on your
vlogs.
page.
I feel like if I start vlogging, see, there's already the Instagram content that I'm shooting. If I start vlogging, I just feel like I will lose that touch to my real life, because I need, अरे this angle has to be perfect, or अरे इधर से light बराबर
Right,
नहीं आ रहा है.
right.
So that my brain
And
will just
yeah.
like continuously keep on
thinking
working.
about it.
Yeah.
So if I'm going on a vacation and if I'm vlogging it, why on earth would I want to put that much pressure on me?
Yeah.
कि अरे shit, I have to vlog, this angle has to be perfect, इधर का light अच्छा होना चाहिए, how am I
With
looking?
vlogging also, it's like it is raw. It's not like, you know, कभी भी दिन
It
में
can't
उठ
be
के
scripted
हाँ,
and
it can't be
properly
scripted. You are
planned.
going to be in your whatever phases.
Yeah.
So वो भी है कि are you willing to show that side, you know, because sometimes not everyone likes to, you know, showcase their personal life. They like to keep it private, whatever that is. So वो भी थोड़ा सोचना पड़ता है. And then afterwards, maybe you go to a certain line and you're like, okay, I shouldn't have done that.
And
So,
not
yeah.
just with vlogging, ठीक है, when you vlog, the people around you are also
Yeah,
going to be there in
affected,
the
yeah.
frame.
Of course.
So are they going to be comfortable
Are they willing
staying
to?
on camera 24/7 if you start vlogging?
So yeah, you need to
that
think
thing
about
also you need to consider.
Yeah.
True.
About the future of content creation, I was asking this particular part, कितना साल you think this will sustain? और इसका कितना future है? You think it's going to stay? Or you think TikTok जैसे ये गायब हो सकता है? TikTok got banned overnight. That
Yeah.
was unfortunate for so
I
many people.
don't think TikTok jaise it will get.
Yeah, go like
So
that.
Insta, maybe Insta won't go just like that, but this kind of brand deals that creators are getting, because there are so many creators now, and
That is what I'm saying. Now you will get the highs and lows, but the fact that everything just goes away
That is
is
not
not going to
going.
happen,
Yeah.
because it is, as a Indian market, you
It is just evolving.
you have so much scope of marketing on social media. You just can't take that part away. For even like actors and everyone now, they've just come on to social media.
Social
कि नहीं, we
media.
have to be a part of this.
Yeah.
So you can't just take that integral part away from it.
It has become like a part of business only right now. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's become
Yeah.
too business,
Hmm.
but I don't think it is going anywhere.
True.
so if you are to start another business apart from content creation, what would it be?
Stressful, man.
सोच के stress में
Exactly. Why are you putting me into this situation?
It will be fashion related or something else?
It has to be fashion related.
Always.
Always.
Okay.
maybe a dainty jewelry brand,
Yeah. I will start my own nail studio for that matter.
something pink.
Ask her. I'm obsessed with nails.
Yeah, nail
Okay.
studio.
I
It is a
can
very
start-
lucrative business.
I can start a nail studio for that matter. If nothing goes, I will start
Like
a
side
nail
business
studio.
निकाल देना.
हाँ.
But have you thought about anything? Like, why I'm asking this, celebrities or any public figures,
They have started.
yeah, they are aware of it that maybe their career span in this particular industry is very limited.
Limited, yeah.
So,
they're
slowly
investing.
they like divert into another business and they make that brand part of their brand.
Yeah.
So have you thought about anything consciously that maybe I will start
I
this?
have, but then I also feel like this has been like the journey that I've been through. If the time is right, I will get that brilliant idea and I will get into it.
Okay.
It is, so I'm not like putting a lot of pressure on me right now. Ki, "Arey, you don't have some different idea in your head. You have to think of some backup or anything." I know for a fact that I will not just be sitting home idly kuch na karte hue, because I'm not that person. I can't do that. So I know when the time comes, I will have that bright idea ki I can do this.
Okay. What is it about content creation that you A, like, B, completely hate?
I know the answer.
Thing that I like is I have my own working hours. Although it is a different story that you work for like 24/7, but still, like you're doing what you like, so it's okay.
Yeah.
You have the liberty to do everything when it comes to the creative side of it. Thing that I don't like, dealing with brands for payments.
Oh yeah.
That is it.
Creative
Dealing
freedom.
with brands for payments and for concepts.
The scripts, yeah.
Yeah, they want organic content, but then the
But
script
then
that
they
they
make
give you
changes.
is so ad related. I'm like,
क्या झगड़ा करूँ मैं?
huh, exactly. You can't just,
Fight with them.
you can't
Yeah.
say anything. ठीक है? You will give
No,
them.
they are adamant.
Yeah, you will give them the most creative organic script. They will send you back a different script altogether saying your script is approved.
Oh.
And then you can't, I'm like, this is not the script I sent you. So how much patience do you have to keep to argue with the brands? So that is one thing. Like, I just feel like the brands should just give that creative liberty to creators, because the creator knows what their audience likes. You can't just put like a ad in front of them and like, ye kharido.
Yeah,
You
exactly.
can't do that.
खरीद लो रे, खरीद लो.
It's the last time exactly same
Same
thing. Bana. Exactly the same thing. Okay.
I have a question. कोई एक ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस है जिससे यू वर जस्ट डन विद द ब्रांड, लाइक यू नो बस करो, लाइक दे मेड यू गो थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ इमोशंस?
Yes, multiple brands.
What, like any example? Don't give the name, but
हाँ,
yeah.
obviously नहीं.
No, give the names.
नहीं, पैसे चाहिए मुझे. So, first was approving the script. They sat on my head कि you know we want a very organic script and something that your audience will relate to. I took my time. I sent them the script. You know, I'm like, because even I liked the brand. So I was like, if I have this brand in my hand, I can just give them a really good script that they can work around. I sat down with them. I gave them the ideas and everything. She straight up rejected the ideas. And she gave me a very bland final
Explanation.
script.
Okay.
Ki, you know, do this. And then it was a store.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
ठीक है? So I go there. There's one more creator. And she's doing exactly what the script I gave before. I mean, that I'm not saying like it was 100% copy. It was,
Similar.
मतलब ऐसे देख के I could understand, अरे this is my script. And I
Okay.
flipped. And my POC, she was sitting on my head saying, you know, just leave before the second creator comes. And they were like, and the shoot was obviously going to take a lot of time. So I said, I can't just wrap up the shoot in an hour. It is impossible for me to do so. So she's like, okay, fine. The second creator is also going to be there and all of that. I was like, theek hai na? It's a huge space. You can shoot wherever you want to. After I got to know that the creator which is there, she's doing the script that I sent her
You sent.
for approval. I have flipped and I was like, man, on what basis am I supposed to argue with her?
Yeah.
Because it is not like 100% copy.
Yeah.
90% है. 10% इधर उधर करके they've approved her
Yeah.
script. I'm
Yeah.
like, what? Why? And the video turned out to be okay. It is not like it was bad or something. But I
still,
know for a
like-
fact that script would have worked wonders on my profile.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying ki just organic retention of the audience would have been a lot more for it.
True.
Do you think that being too much accessible to normal audience will be like affecting mental health of content creators? I'm asking this because I feel in India सबसे ज़्यादा harassment या फिर mental pressure किसी के ऊपर आ रहा है तो क्रिकेटर्स के ऊपर आ रहा है, उसके बाद बॉलीवुड एंड उसके बाद नाउ आई फील content creators, influencers. Do you think that being so much or like too much available in public is harmful for this industry?
It is. On some level, I would say. But
Because you guys have
it also depends on how you deal with it.
okay.
Yeah.
For me, if I get a hate comment, blocked, bye. I don't have the time to think over it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ठीक है, I have a lot of stress in my life to manage. Your stupid comment, I'm not going to think over it. कि अरे, why is this person hating on me unnecessarily? There have been like stupid petty comments on the videos. There have been hate comments. There have been threats.
Oh.
You can't think about it. Block, bye. That is it. That is what I have. But then I also feel like I haven't received a lot of hate, touch wood. मतलब as compared to everyone. ये touch wood.
God, okay.
So that
या घर शोधते हो. Okay.
Yeah.
do we have like rapid fire or something?
I'm not
क्या
going to
क्या
tell you.
rapid
What
fire
I'm not going
boring
to tell
man.
you. तुम्हाला सांग.
अरे like coffee with Karan
हाँ.
ऐसे.
But this is not coffee with
I don't know. You want me to take controversial names and then you say
But
this is
मला
not
तर
coffee.
बीप करावंच लागणार आहे ना, काही करून. तू नाव असं घेतलं की ते नाही टाकू शकत मी.
Which was your favorite event that you went to?
Favorite event that I went to?
Or like an event you will remember?
So there was this Wishlink party, ठीक है, in Delhi that happened. The only reason I will always remember is because that was my first work trip.
Work trip, yeah.
So I
Had
was
another-
very excited for it.
Yeah.
And then I also have my friends in Delhi. So the entire week was so wonderful. I spent time with them. Then there was the party. It was amazing. Mera pehla work trip tha. I was very excited about it. That is it.
Then Banjara Market.
Yeah,
Oh,
obviously.
yeah.
Banjara Market, Sarojini
Sarojini.
Nagar.
Yeah, that was nice. And which was the event you were like, क्या था ये?
So there was this one show. ठीक है? And the only reason I felt left out was because I didn't have anyone that I know. And even if the people that I knew that were there, I wasn't vibing with them. You know this entire
Yeah, I know,
story.
I know.
ठीक है? And I just felt like, damn, what am I doing here? It was a fashion show and it was delayed for like 2.5 hours. And I was like, yaar, what am I doing here? I just needed like someone to be there. And
Yeah.
then there was like this, it is not even about vibing with people, it is about how the person in front is
Yeah.
acting with you.
I feel like events can do that. Like this has happened with me
Yeah.
बहुत पहले when I started, and like I knew people, but then of course they are in their own circle. So
Yeah.
you are in your own circle. So कभी कभी ऐसे होता है कि you feel like okay, you're not meant for this or whatever. You start getting those thoughts. So that's why I always go to events where my friends are coming.
Yeah, true.
But there was a time Urvi was at every single event,
Yeah,
every single day.
she's always there.
Urvi
बस हो
was
गया, मुझे
in
भी
all
She
the events.
literally, she just messages, अरे ये event है, ये event है. Every single day she's messaging, ये event आया.
It was last
Last
year, you
year.
can say. Yeah.
Last year.
हाँ, last year she was at her peak.
Yeah.
She's attending
I was
every
like,
event.
ब्रेक लिया है 3 महीने का, अभी तो मैं जा रही हूँ. Yeah.
Okay.
But the events are also
Events
nice,
are fun.
Like, yeah, fun.
It just depends on like,
बस थोड़ा वो इवेंट को पहुंचने
हाँ.
के पहले थोड़ा ऐसे
and it's not like कि
tiring रहता
you
है.
need your friends. ठीक है? I have gone to events where I didn't know anybody, but you just find like one or two
One or
people
two
and you just
people.
vibe with them, and it is very comfortable. But then it also depends.
the grade of the event, like how
Yeah.
big, small,
Yeah.
intimate, the type of people there are.
There have been events where I'm just the only one who's there. I have nobody. Like everyone that I know, उसमें से कोई भी नहीं है, and I'm just there, and I'm like, ठीक है, fine, cool, chill. We'll just you find someone. You'll obviously find
Yeah,
some
someone,
creator
yeah.
to vibe with, but there are
So
downsides
if you
as well.
have to create content around event, then I think वो थोड़ा difficult हो जाता होगा.
नहीं.
I'll tell you because
feel like when you have to create content, no, since you are around a lot of content creators, they know
Help you.
कितने takes लेने हैं, कौन सा angle चाहिए, what, how many,
Yeah.
कैसे
Yeah.
क्या, and they'll just help you out. It just depends on how the person as well. मतलब I'm not saying कि entirely this thing, but they will help you out. Shooting
I
is
feel for
easy.
videographers specifically, I'll talk about myself, not other people. I feel events are थोड़ा सा unrealistic expectations होते हैं वहाँ पे. बहुत कम टाइम में you have to cover so many
Yeah.
things. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि एक ही इवेंट पे we have to shoot for 2 or 3 multiple creators and एक इतने से limited time में you are just running and it's just too much of pressure on you. So as a videographer, I don't think that I have enjoyed any event. You know?
I
Yeah.
feel sorry for you.
Yeah, but there was one particular event where it was कि पहले shoot कर लो, बाद में just बैठ के chill करो. That was good.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was like some creators event only.
Okay.
Initially you have to shoot for like 1 or 2 hours for the creator. After that you can sit for like next 6-7 hours. बड़ा event था.
Oh.
You can enjoy the whole thing. You can do whatever you want. But because event का time usually 2 से 3 घंटे का होता
Yeah.
है, उसमें you have to shoot for 2 to 3 different creators. It's just too much
Chaotic.
for
Yeah.
at least for me कि एक तुम बाकी कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हो. You're only shooting. So that was something.
I had one more question. So you stay in Navi Mumbai and all the events are in South Mumbai. How do you manage?
See, I will tell you what I tell everyone. All the suburbs वाला people, जितना time तुम्हें सोबो आने के लिए लग रहा है, उतना ही time मुझे
सब सफर
नवी
करते
मुंबई
हैं।
से सोबो आने में या suburbs आने में लग रहा है. That is it. That is all I will say.
But yeah, I feel like the decision to go to events also matter on the location where the event happens,
True.
right? Yeah, because if it is always in suburbs, so sorry, South Mumbai.
Sobo.
South Mumbai. Yeah.
So you will be like, अरे इतना दूर कौन जाएगा?
I don't mind going to South Mumbai.
Can I put this part?
You have to.
Oh God.
Yeah.
This particular part of the whole video na, Hidde Badbadte Hi, it will be released whenever it's supposed to release. Okay. Next thing. Okay, Shrija, we have a surprise for you.
Oh
Okay.
wow. Do I get a hamper?
And the surprise will
इतना बड़ा expectation मत रखना.
Sorry.
the surprise will come on your screen in 3, 2, and 1.
Oh my god, outfit change.
So, Shrija, tell us.
Oh!
इसने मेरे को देखा ही
Oh,
नहीं.
sorry. I was prepared for him because he told me that he has a pink shirt. I was not prepared for you.
So the surprise is we have something pink for you.
Oh. Cute. Does it smell?
No, it doesn't make sense.
Okay.
Why are you so obsessed with color pink?
ये मेरे पास एक पिंक टॉप है. मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ.
Can imagine the struggle Urvi went through to find it. Pink just goes with everything.
Does it?
नहीं.
Arguably no.
Not like dark pink, ठीक है? I like pastel. pink.
Pastel pink. जो तेरा पूरा रूम
This,
है.
हाँ, this color, this color.
तेरा nails नहीं
नहीं,
nails
नहीं.
किया नहीं है.
So that's why you're obsessed with
Yeah.
color pink. What is that one thing that you bought just because it's pink that
Most
does
of the
not make
things.
any sense?
You know this. This is why you're asking me this. So, I got
One, that does not make any sense. Two, that's the most expensive, still does not make any sense.
या दोनों सेम है.
see,
Possible.
nahin. One which I didn't really need, which was totally like a random buy. So I went to DMart and I saw pink wigs, baby wigs. And I was like, oh my god, that's so cute, I need to get this. And
Wigs.
it's completely
I knew
used.
this.
हाँ मेरे को पता है.
Okay, and what is the most expensive thing in just because it's pink?
My Coach bag.
But that is a nice.
Huh, that is not
Useless.
Useless.
useless. It's a good bag.
So you understand that Vicks is useless.
हाँ, it is useless.
Oh, क्या?
It is so mild. सर्दी होकर भी even if you apply it is useless only.
तो ब्रांड से नाम कहते हैं.
अरे वो बच्चों के लिए
And
ना.
बच्चों के लिए है.
Okay.
I can't apply it on Chinmay, no. I can technically.
Did you buy the? I think you wanted to buy something from Hamleys that was pink.
No. That was a beige bunny that I want to put like pink ribbons on it.
अरे क्या काला जादू कर रही
Wow. You went too dark. It's a cute bunny, man.
But when did your pink obsession start?
Maybe like when I was around 8, 9. So earlier I was obsessed with yellow. Like I still love yellow. Like after pink, if there's any other color that I love is pastel yellow, lemon yellow. Okay. And then I just feel like, so earlier bachpan mein my entire room was pink. Room was yellow. And then after like 7, 8 years, it just became
अरे पता है
pink.
एक कार्टून था जो पूरा रूम उसको येलो करता था फिर उसको सोने नहीं होता था क्योंकि उसका पूरा रूम येलो था.
नहीं
बहुत पहले था ये.
उतना येलो नहीं था उर्वी. There was a good color balance of it.
Yeah.
हे कोणत्या काढले कार्टून
I don't know.
खूप पहिल्याचं आहे मला
I
नाव
have
नाही
no idea.
माहिती. Yeah, but there's one more influencer who is obsessed with pink as much as you, I would say. And that does not have a fragrance.
Arey, I'm trying. It has some mild fragrance to it.
This was your surprise.
Okay.
So do you want your entire room to be pink now? More pink.
Not more pink. I like the pink that I have. That one accent wall is good enough.
What one pink thing you have in your wish list?
What one pink thing?
I know.
There's like multiple
The
pink things.
pink Dyson.
हाँ, pink Dyson is to there, obviously.
But you
already
have a Dyson.
I know,
Yeah.
but that is red.
I mean,
That is not pink. It is not like soft girl aesthetic.
Soft girl core. Yeah.
ओके
आता परत कपडे बदलायला
नाही नाही. क्या पागल है.
You look so cute, man. Like all pinks.
मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे ब्लैक डाल के आना जब मेरे साथ मत.
हाँ हाँ
That's
गोरेगांव
the
की
reason हम
कैंडल
लोग-
जेनर.
That's
इसने मेरा नया नाम रखा है. कल ही उसने वीडियो देखा था और उसने कमेंट भी किया है.
गोरेगांव की कैंडल जेनर. You won't see Urvi smiling in any of the pictures, ठीक है? You tell her to give like a cute group, ऐसे girls pictures होते हैं ना? She'll just go like, I'm like, why?
we have it on camera now. Okay.
बट वो मेरा स्टाइल है.
That's the reason हमारे पहले पॉडकास्ट में हम दोनों ने ब्लैक
Black
पहना था,
पहना
ब्लैक
था,
ब्राउन. Wednesday and what was the second character?
ईडन.
Eden.
ईडन ना.
I'm Eden.
हाँ.
You are Wednesday.
ठीक है.
मैंने वीडियो भी बनाया. My top 10 black dresses. So you travel a lot internationally. Which has been your most favorite trip so
Bali.
far?
And
Bali.
why?
I don't travel a lot.
अरे
You
but
travel a
still
lot.
मतलब मेरे
अरे not like
हाँ,
that.
You
मतलब
travel a lot.
Okay. Touch wood. I need more trips. I need more trips.
चलो मेरे साथ.
She's
Bali.
posting for like traveling का last 2 महीने से. That she needs to go somewhere.
Yeah, I know. I want to.
तर जा कुठेतरी लवकर.
कोण
मागच्या
आहेच ना
2
माझ्याबरोबर.
वर्षापासून बोलते आहे.
हाँ.
काय बोलली कोण आहेस ना
कोण आहेत समज
ठीक आहे.
इंटरनॅशनली यायला.
ठीक आहे.
तर मी काय बोलते. हाँ.
बोलती थी अभी मैं कुछ तो but ठीक है.
चुप बैठ मार खाएगी. So, which is the place you want to go? Have you traveled solo?
I wouldn't call it like solo because I was staying at my sister's in Singapore. But then whatever
You went
traveling
out.
that I was doing, that was solo because my sister and her husband were
Busy, yeah.
busy with office. So that was the only solo traveling I've done.
Tell us something like some unique experience that you had on one of your international trips. Something that you'll never forget.
This is like very controversial, ठीक है? ऐसे नशे वशे वाला topic I'm not going to talk about.
अरे
हमने
travel.
वैसे के बारे में बोला ही नहीं.
हाँ, but my extreme went on that only, no. Travel में, don't.
Okay,
Ask a
something
different question.
cute,
ठीक है.
something memorable happened.
फिल्टर अप्लाई करना सोबर वाला आणि मग पुढचं बोला.
Something cute, memorable happened.
Something
in the
memorable, I'll
international
tell you.
trips.
So, last year when I went to Bali,
Hmm.
I can't go deep sea diving because I have some ear problem.
Okay.
So I was doing snorkeling, and like in Bangkok also, I had this experience. So everyone was just talking about, oh, we saw a turtle, we saw a turtle. And there was this one point where I was snorkeling. I was here, and the turtle was just below me. And it was the most magical moment. I'm just like, oh my God.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Exactly. It was perfect. And when you just go in water, water is my therapy, okay? When you go in water, it is just peaceful. And that turtle just made it like perfect.
So what is that one place that's on your dream list?
Other than Paris. I
Other
mean वो
than-
तो
हाँ,
सबको
मतलब
जाना ही है.
एक ऐसा place जहाँ पे
No, I
you
wouldn't say
have to go.
Paris is... Well, Paris is there,
है,
but
but-
not like... I want to go to Amalfi Coast.
I want to go to Amalfi Coast.
No. I'm saying number one place.
Amalfi
वही।
Coast.
Yours is also Amalfi Coast?
हाँ, मतलब मेरे को वहाँ पे
hers is
जाना है.
New York.
Of course. That's
is New York.
On that level I'm asking.
Yeah, Amalfi Coast.
Amalfi.
Okay.
Because the
वो
vibe
is
the aesthetic
you,
is
yeah,
me.
in the summer.
So I know.
Yellow.
हाँ.
All of that. I have a rapid fire question. मैं थोड़ा दिमाग में आ रहा है. I'll ask.
Wow, finally.
Okay.
Coffee with Karan, guys. Where's the coffee, Akash?
Yeah.
So, pink or yellow?
Pink.
Cheese cake or chocolate cake?
Chocolate cake. Wow, she's judging me, huh? She's judging me.
cheese cake करके रहती है. Cold coffee, iced coffee.
Cold coffee.
Why does cold coffee make you hyper? That was what happened to her.
The excess amount of caffeine. I feel like iced coffee makes me more hyper
because that-
than cold coffee.
yeah.
Because cold coffee, mein you like there's a lot of things that are
एक बार क्या हुआ था, हम दोनों ने कोल्ड कॉफी पी ली, ठीक है, पीली और हम दोनों पागल हो रहे हैं, एक खुद के ही घर पे और चैट पे पागल हो रहे हैं.
we just texting each other. I'm like, dude, I'm too caffeinated right now.
Too crazy, bro, crazy. So yeah.
अरेंज मैरिज और लव मैरिज?
Love marriage. I said that. Just release this after my proposal, okay? Release this after my proposal.
I'm creating content around that.
I love how you guys just have a lot of content for me after it is in public.
Published. Shoes or bags?
Bags.
Okay. Deepika or Anushka?
Deepika.
Deepika or Virat?
Oh, but that is not counted.
Still. Celeb.
Virat.
Makes sense.
I was going to say Anushka ka pati when she asked Deepika or Anushka.
इसके लिए मेरा next question वो था. हाँ वो
This is not rapid enough, just FYI.
हाँ तो मेरे दिमाग से आ रहा ना, मैंने लिख के नहीं
Because
रखा
तू
है.
3 में विचार उसकी रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चन आई कि नहीं, so she is
Did I-
making it on
did
the
I
spot.
just
Give us some credits
pressurize-
here.
Did I just
तो दिमाग
pressurize
नहीं
you
चल रहा है.
guys into giving me a rapid fire?
I forgot a very important question that I was going to ask you. I literally forgot.
Quality? नहीं. Content?
I told you na, I literally forgot.
Welcome to my life. This is what happens when you hang out with me.
Intro.
Guys, it's my rapid fire.
Okay, continued. If you could have any celebrity as your fashion or beauty mentor, who would it be and why?
Fashion and beauty mentor.
और
Fashion or na?
It's rapid fire, guys.
Wow.
first name जो दिमाग में आता है.
You name celebrity. Deepika is the first celeb
हाँ.
that comes to my head no matter what happens.
Perfect. मेरा आंसर भी रेडी है बट मेरे को कोई पूछ नहीं रहा.
बता दे. We don't
Selena. Okay. Describe your ideal fashion runway show theme if you were to organize one.
describe your
Ideal fashion runway show theme.
runway. I was like, रणवीर कौन सा शो बना रहा
अरे हिला रॅपिड फायरचा अर्थ कळतो का? कोणतरी सांगा हिला.
है? Sorry. हाँ. Okay. What? Sorry. Repeat. Sorry. Again.
Ideal fashion runway show theme if you were to organize one, what would it be?
This Met Gala theme, Garden of Time, would have been very close to what my aesthetic would
Okay.
have been.
What is the most outrageous fashion or beauty trend you have tried and it did not work, and it did work out?
And it did work out. Wow.
Or did not work out? You
I'm
can
just
answer.
looking at all of my bad fashion choices. Just to. Can I just say dhoti pants?
हे अजून तिथेच अडकली आहे.
Okay. If you could only shop at one store for the rest of your life, which one would it be and why?
H&M.
Why?
Why?
Sasta hai?
Sasta, and you get like good basics, you get good collection, you get good design as well.
What is the weirdest or most unexpected item in your closet right now?
Weirdest and most unexpected. Can I just say I have a lot of sweaters for someone who stays in Mumbai?
Yeah. Describe your ultimate fashion or beauty fantasy. It can be as wild or extravagant as you like.
My fashion and beauty fantasy is not going to be
Extravagant.
extra because
Yeah.
it has to be minimal and
Cute.
basic, cute.
If you could magically transport yourself to any fashion era, which one would you choose and why?
Oh, wow.
रॅपिड फायर.
Arey, let me think, no.
टिक टिक 1 देऊ तुला.
No, I just feel like not era, but shit, I'm forgetting all of my fashion history classes.
ओ इसने तो सीखा भी है.
हाँ, exactly. इसलिए
मैं तो
बोला
सीखा भी नहीं है.
इसलिए बोला ना, मेरा ऐसा सब ऐसे फास्ट ट्रेन के ऐसे मेरे दिमाग से चला गया. 20s is not my vibe.
रॅपिड फायर.
80s, shut up. next question, man.
Share a funny or embarrassing moment from a photo shoot or an event that you have experienced.
This guy has multiple bloopers. Every shoot, there has to be some embarrassing shot. For example,
You
the last
recently-
shoot
हाँ.
we did,
She broke the bottle.
I broke the product
जो shoot कर
because
रहे
I
थे.
was busy laughing.
जो shoot कर रहे थे.
हाँ, जो shoot कर रहे थे and the product shots were like just done, but still I had to
Hold the product and
हाँ,
show.
hold the product and show, and all of that thing was
Amazing.
pending.
That's like every other shoot.
Every other.
80% bloopers, 20% content.
Yeah.
If you are a fashion or beauty product, what would be your tagline?
Rapid fire.
Listen, these are not rapid fire questions.
तिने तुला रॅपिड मध्ये विचारलं तू
अरे, नाही. ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
बस
No,
एक.
no, no.
ए बोल.
ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विचारना. मेरे को सोचना पड़ेगा.
नहीं.
अरे वाओ, सम प्रेशर अननेसेसरी.
वो controversial question पूछते ना जो अपन दोनों ने आंसर किया था.
ओह,
Okay.
So every month you as a fashion creator you get mostly clothes, ठीक है? How many brands send you clothes on a monthly basis and what is the price? Like इतने का तो भेजते ही है या आता है या best months में कितने का आता है?
that is what is different from beauty creators. You don't get fashion PRs as such. So whatever I get is collabs. So
But if you get clothes like अगर कोई ऐसे brand भेज रहा है for a video like I know Urbanic or you know others how Shein used to do वो कितने का आता है usually? Or it depends on the number of followers.
it depends on the number of followers.
Okay. So let's just say someone has 50K तो कितना आएगा?
Let's just say like 15k,
Oh.
15k worth, 10 to 15k worth products.
And how much do you think you get on a quarterly basis? कितने के कपड़े?
Wow, I didn't calculate that.
ठीक है, quantity
and my
बोलना.
math is not good enough to give you a
Quantity
number.
बोलना. कितने ऐसे tops, कितने dresses?
Not tops and dresses. See, the brand is going to give you like a certain amount. ठीक है, you have to purchase for this much. Now you can get, let's just say 20,000 में you can get 5 clothes, you can get 20 clothes also. It depends on how smartly you shop for it. And if that just depends
Yeah.
on your shopping ka skills.
Yeah.
I am very smart, so meko, if I can get 20,000 with 20 clothes, then I will try to get like 25 clothes out of it.
Again, intro line. I am very smart.
Oh wow.
मेरे तो कोई है ही नहीं. Poo. हाँ, next thing you have so many clothes. So where do you keep them?
That was legit her question, okay?
Yeah.
She like
How
discuss
do you
हुआ
keep
ये.
them? Where do you keep them?
I am extremely organized.
देखा
So,
है मैंने.
हाँ. So my wardrobe is filled, but since it is properly kept, so I have
Properly folded.
properly folded in one size. So there's like a lot of space that I can manage. And
मेरे
if
घर पे आना.
not, then I clear my wardrobe every 4 to 5 months, and then I either put it on my thrift page that I have, Style Deck, or I just call her home, call my sisters home. Ki, "Aao, please just see whatever you like, and you guys can take it." And most of these clothes are just that I've worn for shoots or just worn once. And
For
I
the
know that
collab or whatever,
matlab,
yeah.
this is not my style personally, and still your style evolves. ठीक है? So it is not going to be like, there are pieces in my wardrobe that I have used for like good 10, 12, 14 years. They're still there. But if I know that I'm not going to use it, so if I have certain pieces that I know for sure that she will wear and I won't be able to wear it.
Or you want to force her to wear that.
नहीं, I won't force her to wear that.
She'll be like हाँ लेके जा.
लेके जा.
क्योंकि उसको भी जगह कम करनी है.
हाँ, exactly.
Okay, last question.
She is my beauty exchange.
Yeah.
I am her fashion
Fashion
exchange.
exchange. Nice.
So anyone wants beauty products, ले लो please. Take it from me. So last question. What was your busiest month and how much did you make? You can give like a round figure or
What was my busiest month?
Yeah.
Navratri to Diwali.
October.
October.
October, November, during that time. And payment wise, I wouldn't say there's like a selected month because you will get your payments after 60 days.
But after 60 days, kitna?
Urvi, do you really think you get your payments after 60 days?
No.
I don't want to.
I get.
मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ बात नहीं करना है.
नहीं उसके लिए अलग से आना पड़ेगा.
The trauma is too deep rooted.
Yeah.
Not for the camera.
But yeah.
बोला ना मैंने नजर नहीं लगवाने का, वैसे भी पेमेंट्स नहीं आ रहे हैं.
Bracelet dance.
I'm just imagining अगर यहाँ पे कोई और होता, अगर मैं पे बैठी नहीं पाता फिर तो.
तू इकडे खालती बसून केस उपटले असते स्वतःचे. I can imagine that happening.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the end of the podcast. Is there anything that you want to ask us or anything
was
that you
your
want
experience?
to share? Yeah.
No. I mean, the amount of pressure you guys created in the very beginning of the video,
कुछ
it
था ही नहीं.
was chill.
कुछ pressure नहीं था.
And I love the pink vibe that we have right now.
Okay, so for this video, I'm going to let Shrija do the outro. So,
Yeah.
do the signing off note.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then you guys know. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
And see you on
And
our channel.
follow us as well.
Yes.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, look at template
bye.
ready है.
हाँ template असते.
हाँ, this is my template for all of my
Every
YouTube
every
outros.
videos.
All right.
Okay, bye.